My name is Karen with the Thrifty Flamingo. I got a whole haul video for you today, all free people, Anthropologie, and quite a few gems. It's not from a thrift store, it's from a wholesale liquidator in the area. So a lot of this is new without tags, not used. Some of them are store returns, so it's kind of really exciting. Everything was $5.99 or less. And I'm going to go over everything with you. I talk a lot about Poshmark and reselling in general. So if you are interested in this content, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back, as always. Yeah, love this place. Whenever they do a sale, I'm there. The past 2 times, I wasn't in town. I was really sad. So I'm going to get right into the haul video. You guys are going to want to stick around to the end because I'm going to show you the 2 pieces I am like so super excited about. Super excited about. So I kind of split them up because they sell Anthropologie, Free People, Urban Outfitters, which most of you know has the same parent company. So there's also a few other brands I'm very excited to share with you. But I kind of split them up into their appropriate brands. And I'm going to start with the few pieces I got that were Anthropologie. So the first one, this was $3.99. It is a jacket. It is an 11S, E-L-E-V-N-E-S-E-S, 11S. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It is an Anthropologie brand. It is a lightweight, like bomber jacket, almost silky material. It's not silk. You'll notice that all the tags have been marked. That's because it is a wholesale liquidator. They mark it so you can't buy it for $3.99 and then go to Anthropologie and get full price for it back. So all of the tags have been marked to prevent store return. So I got a nice, I'm gearing up for spring, you know, it is February still in New England. So it snowed out yesterday, but it's spring. Spring is right around the corner. Spring break, you know, festival season right around the corner. So I'm not thinking sweaters anymore. Next thing I got from the Anthropologie pile is a Saturday Sunday. It is a full body play suit, like a romper, gaucho pant bottom, very comfortable, like jersey. It's a light black, grayish. If they had this in my size, I probably would wear it, but I'm not a small, unfortunately. There's pockets on the thing, very trendy. So that I'm excited about. It is so soft, like that, like drapey jersey. Oh, why couldn't you be my size? Another thing when you go to a place like the liquidator, sometimes they do have store returns, or defects. So you have to really like go over each product individually and make sure there's no damage to it. So this is a Hi. This is the only item that I bought purposely with damage. The only thing that's damaged about it is there's a button in the back to connect it, to close it, and the button holder is popped open. That's gonna take me like 3 threads to fix, you know, and I don't mind sewing 3 little stitches so the button can hold. And this again is another play suit romper. Like this is, I think, longer than that one. And it has this really intricate, I hope my light's picking this up. Black is so hard to see the details. With like a string waist, sleeveless, little play suit romper thing. So I didn't mind paying like $5.99 for this, like new without tags, just to go with it. And it's gonna be new without tags I'm gonna say like, hey, like I reinforced where the button goes. The last thing from the Anthropologie pile is one of the only things I got that is really winter-ish. And at first when I picked it up, I thought it was Free People. It has that style to it, but it's not. It is a Meadow Rue from Anthropologie, and it is a very drapey thermal. So you can see why I thought Free People. Free People has this style of thermal. They have so many different types of thermals that they do. It has that feel to it, like really drapey thermal. And oversized fit. It's like a rust orange. Like, I kind of really like this. Maybe I would like to keep it. It is my size. Oh, I'm not so sure. So those are the things that I got from the Anthropologie area. Now I'm going to go over the Free People stuff. So I got 2 of these. These are the Peyton High Rise Skinny Jeans. This is a size 28. I have sold these. And these are like new without tags, Free People, Peyton High Rise. They're very stretchy. They're very comfortable. So I got them in a size 28. And I got the same exact ones in a size 26. So the good thing about that is I can just make a single listing and have like multiples on it. 1 listing, 2 items, done. Next ones, I don't know the exact name of them. They're just Free People skinny jeans, and they are a black skinny jean. They're very simple. They look similar to the Peyton. I would have to measure the rise. They do look like a high rise. Not exactly sure, but these are a size 26 as well. So I got 3 pairs of Free People denim. Next, Free People. I had sold this previously. And I saw it, I was like, oh great, like I already have a listing for that. I forget the name of it. It's probably still in my draft somewhere, but it is a really pretty lace dress with a net. It ties in the back. It's like low cut, very like Victorian, lacy, pretty. Next, this is an intimately Free People. They have like different lines of Free People. This is gorgeous. This is a like lace semi-sheer halter top with the gaucho pants, with like the play suit romper, ties at the neck. It is beautiful. I was staring at it for a while because I had to make sure there was like no like runs in it. It's got that very like lightweight gauze. Next one is another Free People. New without tag. Another intimately Free People. It's a mini dress that has like this lace up going in the middle. It's like a high neckline, sleeveless, crisscross back, and like a rust red color. It's really pretty. Next one is another intimately Free People, I believe. Yes, it is, and it's new without tags. Bloop. It is an iridescent mini dress. It is so soft. It's so silky. It is like a pink hue to it. Little mini dress. Intimately Free People. It's like body conscious. Definitely body con. Like this is going to be painted on somebody somewhere. The next one is, I got 2. Another thing I got 2 of, so I can just make 1 listing for 2 items. Jay found both of these, so good for him. It came with the spare button. I got a size large, and I got a size, drum roll, extra small. I got both ends of the spectrum, so it's another dress. This is a great dress for the spring transition. It's not like really heavy, but it is like 3/4 sleeves. I think they like bunch up, or maybe it's, no, it's long sleeve. It's long sleeve. And then you got the belt that goes around. I know me holding this stuff up is doing it absolutely no justice, but this is a very beautiful dress. I got 2 of them. They're both that red with the detail going down the front. And that is all the Free People I got. I only picked up 1 pair of shoes. They always have shoes there, and they had a lot of Urban Outfitters shoes, and I just didn't see like the return on my investment in like a lot of the shoes they had there today. But they did have mini Tonkas, like new, like it's still attached, size 7, and I've sold this exact pair before, and I was like, you know what, I need some shoes, so I got the mini Tonkas, cute little booties. So this pile, these are random brands that, you know, aren't Anthropologie Free People or Urban Outfitters. And a lot of jeans. I hope you guys are sticking around because I'm going to show you exactly my most excitable thing I got out of everything here today. I'm so super excited. So this is a Bailey 44 dress. You know, I think sometimes they do sell this at Anthropologie. It's not an exclusive brand whatsoever. They sell it at all different sites. Revolve, a lot of like Nordstrom sells it. It is a halter dress with a center cutout, little fit and flare. Very spring and summer ready. It is super adorable. Like super, super, super adorable. Bailey 44. The rest are all jeans. Now, if this is your first video, you don't know me that well, I love selling denim. I absolutely love denim. So in the summertime, denim takes a little bit of a snoozer because it's hot out, but it is still denim season. And these were all $5.99. The first one I have is Big Star. Big Star, the Live boot. Big Star usually has those back pockets. And they have like heavy stitching, very similar to like a Miss Me or a True Religion with the really thick stitching. Speaking of Miss Me, Miss Me! Small waist, it's a size 24, you know, like a 00/0. But somebody out there is this size and it has bling up the wazoo, as you know Miss Me usually does. And these are called the Slim boot. So you can tell that they have a small boot cut to the bottom, but they're not like a huge boot flare. Heavy distressing, Miss Me, cool. Getting towards the end. Joe's jeans. Now, you might be saying, what's wrong with my computer right now? These are not white. These are a very pale canary yellow. And I was like, that's an odd color for colored denim, which is still pretty popular, the colored denim. And it is the skinny jean. Joe's jean, the skinny. But it's, Jay said, he's like, oh, it's a very Easter color. You know, it's a very seasonal color. And I was like, oh, that's true. Easter eggs. So Joe's jeans and a very, oh, here you can tell because these are white. See how it's like a yellow? Definitely unique. These I almost passed on, but then I was like, they're $5.99. They're very trendy. I'll just get them. These were Levi's 721 high-rise ankle skinnies. New with tags, and they're white, so people are they're going to start wearing white very soon in the spring. New with tags, very trendy. High-rise, has like seams going down the back. Trendy seams. It has ankle zip. So it has really cool detailing. It's not just like, oh, hey, that's a white pair of jeans, you know. These are very unique, trendy Levi's that are new with tags. So I was like, you know what? Get them. All right. So, save the best for last. The two things that I got, they're same brand. I'm very excited about it. I rarely find this in the wild where I live. I know other people might find it so much. I don't find it that often in Connecticut. Never mind at a wholesale place, at a warehouse sale that's like practically new. So I was like, woohoo! I found one, Jay found the other. Jay thought for like a split second that he found guys' jeans. I was like, no, look at the waist. So, what am I talking about? I am talking about Rock Revival. Rock Revival jeans. They are both boot cut. You notice they both have the same back stitching on the back pocket. Heavy stitching. These are called the Cameo boot cut. Cameo boot. Heavy stitching. These, last time I sold Rock Revivals, I sold them used for about 60. Maybe it was 65. Heavy distressing on the legs and such. And these are a little bit better than used. They're like new others. So I'm looking to get close to 100 for them. Like anywhere between $80 and $100. Easy. I have sold new Rock Revivals for $100. So I saw these and I'm like, well worth my $5.99 investment. Now these are the Arda boot, A-R-D-A. I think it just has to do with the wash, because it's still a boot cut. It still says boot. You notice how these are darker, dark wash with the back pockets, heavy stitching, heavy distressing, really cool fading and whiskering. So this is why I'm really excited. A lot of this is gonna sell, and I'm gonna make so much money off my, I spent a little over $100 bucks. I believe I spent $130 on all of this. But you're getting a higher return on it because it's all, most of it is new and like flawless, or new with tags, new without tags, new with tags other, you know, so you're gonna get a higher sell price for it. I really hope you guys have learned. I hope you've enjoyed this. It's a little different because it's not just random thrift store stuff. It is really like, you know, specific stuff that I found today. If you've enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you give me a thumbs up. YouTube really likes when that happens to my videos, so I ask you guys, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, and you aren't, I would also appreciate if you subscribe to this channel. Me and my husband talk a lot about reselling in Poshmark, so if you love that content, definitely subscribe and click the bell notification so you guys are kept in the know whenever we go and make a video. Other than that, thank you for joining me. Bye guys.